All right, so we do have the Aukey Magfusion Z. This is a brand new wireless charging bundle. Basically, it's a 3-in-1, so you can easily charge your Apple Watch, your iPhone, and your AirPods all in one while being super slim, compact, and portable. So I am going to a Disney trip very soon, and this is going to be one of the main things that I take with me because it's able to charge all 3 of my devices. I don't have an Apple Watch anymore, so we're going to give it to someone else in my family that has an Apple Watch. But it's going to be very good for the trips, or just in general. I used to have a bedside charging station just like this. When I had an Apple Watch, yeah, then I would be doing that. But we're gonna go and check it out and show you guys whether or not you should buy it. So first we're gonna start off with the unboxing experience. Now, when it comes to Aukey, this is my very first product getting something from them. It's actually very surprising. The quality is really good. No doubt in my mind when it comes to unboxing the device as well as holding it for the first time, the quality is nice. It's very top tier, but the pricing, we'll get to that later. Just kidding. No, the pricing is $90, $80 to $90. That is insane. The most I would ever pay for a wireless charger is about 50 bucks, but then again, there's stuff like Belkin out there. If you go to the Apple store, those are 150 bucks. So, I mean, I guess it's pretty good, especially since this is actually certified from Apple themselves. So that certification obviously takes a big hit in the price, but this does have 2 years of manufacturer warranty, which is really nice. So no matter what, you'll be good for 2 years. If this happens to break, just hit them up, they'll help you out. So in terms of size, this is what it looks like here. Very small, compact. It's about the same thickness as about 2 iPhones, I would say. It's super quality. Like when you get this thing, it's really nice. You can snap your phone here on the back and charge it just like this as a pass-through charging dock, so you can just have it like this flat, which is really cool. And then you can also extend it like this, charge it like this horizontally or vertically very quickly. You can move it basically however you want, 360 degrees, but you also have this kick out stand for the Apple Watch. So if you have your iPhone in vertical mode, you can charge your Apple Watch like that. If you have it in horizontal mode, oh no, you can't charge your Apple Watch anymore, but there you go. You can flip the Apple Watch like that. So no matter what, however you want to, if you want your iPhone to be in standby mode and use it as a clock, they thought of that. You can actually twist it and still charge your Apple Watch while still being able to fold back into its spot and collapse seamlessly. So I love that. The build on this is polycarbonate, so it's not a metal. It's nothing like that. It's a good weight, but it's not light enough to be feeling cheap and like a toy, you know? It also does have that base right here at the bottom. I thought it was a rubber pad, but it's actually just plastic. I don't think it has any magnets on it. I don't know. It might have some magnets. I'll check right now. But yeah, when it comes to the power rating, we do have a 5 watt for the watch itself, 5 watts for the earbuds, and a total max wattage of 15 watts for the iPhone. If you have obviously multiple devices charging all at once, the iPhone might charge at 5 watts or 7.5 watts. It'll most likely prioritize your iPhone as much because it's the most thing that's drawing the most power. But you know, newer iPhones are able to charge wireless charging within 15 watts. This obviously does work with any iPhone as long as you have MagSafe. So iPhone 12 and up, you're good. If you don't have an iPhone at all, you can technically use this with one of those MagSafe rings that you can just slap on a case or slap on your phone itself, and then you can go ahead and charge your phone like that. That's pretty expensive, of course, because this is designed specifically for Apple. It has that certified Apple Watch charging. Since it is Apple certified, yes, they have the technology to actually be able to use those newer gen Apple Watch chargers that are compatible with Ultras as well as the Series 7 and above. That would have been a little bit nicer to see, especially since they're paying Apple to do these types of things. But all right, so I've been having this for about a month now. They sent it out for me for a month. I wanted to give you my overall thoughts and opinions, first impressions, and whether you should really buy it. It's a $90 price tag. That's more than more people are willing to spend. However, people do buy this still. They do think it's really good as well. I'm gonna tell you why. So there are other brands out there. Obviously, this is one of my favorite ones that are just desktop version. Some of them give a ring around your case, a ring around your phone even. I've had that in the past, like a permanent damaged mark onto that. We have permanent damage right here where the MagSafe is supposed to be. And that is normally due to testing out cheaper MagSafe products because the magnets are either too strong to the point where it gets super hot and it burns a hole into the actual device. I had no issues when it came to overheating. I used it both at nighttime and I also just tested it just intensively. It's very hot in my room, so you guys know that it just makes it even worse. If your iPhone is hot already to begin with, the environment's hot, and if the device itself gets hot because of those factors, I had no issues whatsoever. This one actually stayed cool. It didn't need to be cooled down by, you know, a fan or anything else like that. I'm sure this has internal fans or something, I don't know. But the circuits on here are so properly made that you're able to charge your device at 15 watts wirelessly, which is the max that you can do on wireless charging for MagSafe at least. It's nice that you're able to do that with this device. It's cool, efficient, and fast. So if you've been looking for one on the market for a new MagSafe charger that's portable, you can even use this just on your desk as well. It's really, really nice looking. I gave it to my dad, so it's a perfect fit. However, there is one thing I don't like, or one flaw that this does have. Because it's not too heavy on the bottom, that makes it so if you have a heavier watch like the Apple Watch Ultra, then it'll tip over if you have it slanted to the right. So you basically are forced to use the Apple Watch facing up and then charge the phone in horizontal position. Otherwise, it'll just tip over. So for the people that have Apple Watch Ultras, this probably might be a headache to you. I'm not sure. I'm giving it to my dad, so I guess we'll find out over time. But that's just one thing to take in consideration. Since I know a lot of companies out there do struggle with the Apple Watch Series Ultra 2 or the Ultra in general because they're very heavy watches, being able to make something that's portable as well as having enough weight, but not too much weight because that ruins the portability, then yeah, that's all I have to say. So great device. That's the only negative, but it's not really a flaw, I would say. It still works even if you do have it completely flat, because you do have that option. If you don't have AirPods or don't want to charge AirPods, you only want to charge your phone and your Apple Watch, you can just collapse it down, charge both of them on the counter, which is cool. Yeah, I mean, this case you can see here has been through a lot. I've been caseless for the past month and a half. So far, I've been using all wireless chargers and there's not a scratch on it. I don't know if that's due to the fact that it's the titanium version or I'm just using better MagSafe equipment. It's still a nice, convenient carry on for your traveling or just a bedside charging. You can use it for both on the go charge. And you don't really have to bring a bunch of cables especially, so that's another pointer. So you don't have to bring 3 cables to charge 3 different devices. Even if they're all USB-C, you know, you can charge them all at once. Now it does come with this little carrying pouch here, which you can carry everything that you need. It does come with a 20-watt power adapter, so fast charging right there available, with a USB-C to DC charging cable here, which is nice. So you can fit all of that in this little pouch. You can see here the cables and everything on top, just like that. It's in this soft shell case, but it will give it a little bit of protection as well as just security. So you make sure you have everything in this little pouch. That way you don't lose anything like, oh no, I forgot the charging brick. Oh no, I forgot the cable. I would just, you know, keep everything in here. Is it worth that $80, $90 price tag? In my opinion, a lot of things are getting more expensive due to inflation. So we're kind of just used to it. I like it. I really do. If it'll last is the main question, because I know those cheap ones do break randomly. They stop working. The circuits fry or whatever. I doubt that this would, because Aukey is a very trusted brand and it has that 2 years of warranty. So that's a plus. So no matter what, if it breaks in 2 years, you know, you could contact them and you'll be good. It should be a really good investment, especially if you're a business person. You go traveling a lot, you need to charge your phone a lot. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. Make sure you like, comment, of course, to subscribe. If you want to check out Aukey, I'll leave a link in the description down below. Thank you guys for watching, and we out.